Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your side hustle with Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure your side hustle with Shopify, start by defining your niche. Research your target audience and understand their needs and preferences. Next, sign up for a Shopify account to access the platform. Choose a suitable plan that fits your business model and budget. Once you've created your account, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. Pick a memorable and relevant store name that reflects your brand. Now, select a theme for your store that aligns with your niche and showcases your products. Customize the theme to add your logo, colors, and fonts to create a cohesive look. Set up your product pages by adding high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing. Configure your payment gateways to facilitate smooth transactions. Next, create a solid return policy to build trust and encourage purchases. Integrate essential apps that enhance functionality, such as email marketing and inventory management tools. Implement SEO best practices by adding meta titles, descriptions, and keywords to your product pages. Now, set up your social media profiles to promote your store and connect with your audience. Design an email marketing strategy to engage customers and drive repeat business. Launch your store by announcing it across all marketing channels. Monitor analytics to track visitor behavior and sales data. Make adjustments as necessary based on the insights you gather to improve performance. Continue optimizing your store to enhance user experience and boost conversions. Engage with your customers through social media and respond to inquiries promptly. Stay informed about industry trends to keep your offerings relevant and competitive. Explore additional revenue streams, such as upselling or offering digital products. Invest in advertising to reach a wider audience and grow your customer base. With these steps, you can secure and successfully manage your side hustle on Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.